To add a quotation, go to the Quotation module and click on the Add Quotation button as shown in the video. Fill out the fields with details from the listing. Then in the Quote Item table, key in the items for quotation under the description column. Once you indicate the quantity of each item, the amount, subtotal, GST and grand total will be generated automatically. Add terms and conditions and note if applicable. Click the Save button to save the data. As you can see, a confirmation message will appear at the top and you can see a layout of the quotation.